today I show you how to enable autocorrect on your Android phone. The autocorrect settings will depend on which keyboard you're using, and here I'm using the GBoard keyboard and you don't see the settings here. I wanted to show you how it looks like before, and I'll go now into the settings. In the settings, look for the system. On the system settings for your Android phone, you have the keyboard settings. Tap on keyboard settings, and here you have the option for personal dictionary if you want to add specific words to make sure they are not auto-corrected in the wrong way. Spell checker, you can choose to use the spell checker and which languages you want to use the spell checker for. And also you have the setting for default spell checker. You can use contact names or even do grammar check. And this is one setting, but you also have the setting for the keyboard itself. Here I have the on-screen keyboard settings and I have the voice typing enabled, and this is the GBoard keyboard. The GBoard on-screen keyboard is the only keyboard I have enabled now. Tap on GBoard and you will have all these settings, and under corrections and suggestions you have many settings that you might want to enable. First, auto correction, you want to enable it. Auto capitalization, you might want to enable this. Underline misspelled words in red, and then you could also underline grammatical errors in blue. Also, you might want to enable don't suggest offensive words. Show the suggestion strip, and then you can use word suggestion, next word suggestion, so it will learn from the word you're using, you're typing. And also you might want to use smart replies. So all the settings are enabled now, and that's how the GBoard keyboard looks like. Now I have the settings here because I have the gear icon right there. I could type test with 2 S's and it changed the text there. And you see the word is changing as I'm typing it. So you either have the word replaced there or you can replace it from the suggestion strip. And that's how you enable the autocorrect on your Android phone. This is Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, Android 15. But if you use GBoard, the Google keyboard is going to be the same on most Android phones. If you use another keyboard like the Samsung keyboard, settings are going to be a little bit different. Thanks for watching.